Today, I want to give you a look inside the Happy Hormone Method. This perimenopausal program we felt called to create out of our desire to live in a world where women feel supported, strong, confident, in balance, and in flow with their life. We see too many women struggling with life in general, with symptoms too that are mostly hormonal at the root, but they aren't getting real answers and root level solutions. And they're suffering because of it. This program was designed by women for women with a strong desire in their 40s to thrive instead of feeling outdated, past their prime, and really women that want to step into the next chapter as the wise women they truly are. I mean, you've worked so freaking hard the past couple decades, mostly taking care of everyone else over yourself at the expense of your own health and happiness. We think now is the time. We want to revolutionize the way that women are aging and the way they feel. Not to focus on the vanity, but so that their outside is a reflection of what's inside, the confidence they have for themselves, how wise they are, their joy, their zest for life, coming from the inside. So if you want to shed stubborn inches, belly fat, if you want to sleep like a baby, if you want to have more energy each day to do the things you love, and you want more stable moods, and you want to be able to feel calm and at peace in your own skin, Happy Hormone Method, or HHM, is for you. We have carefully and lovingly curated 8 modules packed with wisdom compiled from women practitioners in exercise, personal trainers, Chinese functional medicine, nutrition, metabolism, gut health, trauma, somatics, mindset, and more. We are here to create something that's real and lasting and do it in digestible pieces. So each module addresses hormone balance at the root. We deliver it to you again in digestible pieces so it's not overwhelming. You have time for integration over this 4-month journey with us. The best part is that we meet with you weekly. As a community, we meet to uplift, inspire, share stories, get your questions answered, stay accountable, so that the tweaks that you are making in those 4 months, they easily become lasting habits by the end that continue for the long term. You're going to feel so good that you're never going to go back to the old way. So if you're waking up exhausted even after 8 hours, you have insomnia, you have sensitivities you've never had before, you have traditional perimenopausal symptoms like mood swings and night sweats, maybe you're experiencing anxiety for the first time in your life, or it seems to be getting worse. We can address all of these because these are hormonal at the root, or a deficiency that hasn't been identified that we can also address and identify. I'm going to explain the modules in a nutshell. Module 1, you learn what you need to know and nothing more about perimenopause. Understand the deeper hormonal connections. This knowledge is power. It sets you up for a lifetime of balanced hormones. Module 2, you will learn about metabolism, why it's changing, and what you need to do differently now to optimize metabolism, to stop the weight gain, to shed stubborn fat stores for good. All right, and then module 3, you're going to learn when, how, what you need to eat to optimize blood sugar, energy, sleep, metabolism. So many recipes, so much guidance. Module 4 is all about the nervous system regulation and learning the secrets to calming your body and mind, helping you cope better with stress and intense emotions. Module 5 is where you get tools, supplements, herbal wisdom to stabilize your moods and lessen or alleviate anxiety. Module 6, you start implementing our sleep protocol. So you learn to sleep like a baby, rest and restore each night, which will support your hormones coming more into natural balance, your blood sugar, your moods, and so much more. Module 7 is where our exercise specialist and personal trainer, Vanessa Bartlett, guides you each week in perimenopausal focused exercise videos for mobility, strength, muscle mass, bone health. And then finally, Module 8 is all about spiritual and energetic connections to hormones and health. Aligning your energetics, your frequency to tap into life force energy and find your flow, nourishing your spirit. Okay, and then you can upgrade into our elite program. That way you have the opportunity to work with a functional or integrative doctor to get clarity on your hormones with detailed testing, full analysis and protocol. Could be herbs, supplement, hormone replacement therapy, bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, so many more options than you've been given. So if this feels like what you need to move the needle, to actually make the change that you want to see and be in the world, then book a call with us by clicking the button somewhere in the near this video to find out when our next cohort starts. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now.